Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have the full spoilers for Fall Design Life Delivered. Have y'all noticed something a little different? This box is still as heavy as all of their boxes always are, but it's smaller. So when I chatted with them last, they were telling me that they're really moving towards a more eco-friendly packing. Less box, because if you remember, they had that really big box that they always added tons of crinkle paper to. They said less crinkle paper, less box, less packaging as a whole, which, I mean, honestly, just saves money. But it also is very earth friendly. It is still very, very heavy though. I have seen zero spoilers. I literally have no clue what is in this box. So this is the full spoiler for the fall box. This box is quarterly. It is a home decor box. It is $99 a quarter, and they do offer prepaid discounts. If you use code PINK15, you get $15 off a subscription, or PINK10 for $10 off a single or gift box purchase. And then they did write in their notes to me, hey, mention we have our new smaller box this season for more eco-friendly packing materials, a new and improved product insert about the items inside. You still get 5 to 8 items per box. This box has already started shipping. I don't remember when, but it has already shipped. Some of y'all I know already have your box. Sorry, I've been avoiding your post. I didn't want to see any spoilers before I open this. Yeah, you can buy individual boxes without a subscription. Anyone can shop on their online store. And each season they support a small female-owned business. For fall, they're featuring a company called Freebird Candle Company. And it's run by 3 generations of women who focus on eco-conscious products. And Design Life Delivered is a under $100 box, and it is an upscale seasonal home decor boxes sent out 4 times a year, and it was started in like 2019 by 2 female interior designers. Okay, oh my gosh, yeah, so this is different. Going to go fast, because it talks about all of the items inside, which I love. I love when the catalog or printout or even online QR code leans in more to our products. We'll look at that in a minute. Are these oven mitts with a leather hanger? Oh my gosh, I love these. They are obviously something you can stick a hot plate on, but you obviously could grab it and grab something out of the oven if you wanted to, and then you could hang them and they look so chic. So, you know, I'm always referencing like the cute cutting board walls where you could have like dried flowers hanging and spoons hanging. You could have these 2 guys hanging, and they are machine washable. Love this. Very neutral, which means you can use it year round. I'm digging this. Okay, oh my gosh, where do I start? Oh, this is one of the items that's very heavy. Oh yeah, there's literally like half the amount of crinkle paper in this box that is in their other boxes. I'm so happy they did that. What are these? Those are so heavy. So those are marbles. Are they bookends? I totally want to use these as bookends. Oh my gosh. Yes, marble arch decor bookends in beige. Oh my gosh. So these would be really easy to decorate for Halloween because look, they kind of look like a tombstone. Can you tell what I've been doing? Totally playing with Halloween. So let me just hold this up like this because I don't think I can hold them both up and show. It is just a solid chunk right there. Oh my gosh. I need bookends. Jonathan and I were just talking about this because I have so many of these book subscription boxes. Like I have so many Once Upon a Book Club boxes coming in, like the regular subscription plus the add-on, Introvert's Retreat plus books I'm buying. And I was like, some of them are so chic. Very cute. I won't have to just stack them anymore. Oh my gosh. Is it a candle holder? I love it. It's very modern. It's like a charcoal black, but it looks like it holds 2 candlesticks. Look at the colors here. I am digging the colors here. Actually, we do like that. Very cool. So one of the things that Design Life Delivered boasts is that they are upscale seasonal home decor. While they are seasonally inspired, every box leans towards a more neutral approach. So that's been their storyline since the beginning, is they want to send you things that you can use over and over. Now, don't get me wrong, like I'm seeing Halloween all up in this space with these two, but I also do see where you could use them year-round as well. And then what is this? Freebird Candle Supply, Essential Oil Wood Fragrance Balls in Jasmine and Bergamot. So here's what these look like. I don't even know what these are. Like, I've never even heard of this product. Oh my gosh, these smell so good. So I'm gonna pour them out like this. So they just like look like 5 wooden natural balls, but they smell so, so good. They are fragranced with essential oils. What does it say on here? Freebird Candle Supply wooden balls soaked in skin-safe essential oil blends, the perfect waxless and flameless way to add an incredible fragrance to small spaces such as your closet, your vehicle, a gym bag, bathroom, or a drawer. Since last several weeks, refills are available. That is so cool. I want to put these in my drawers. They're extremely strong. Let me tell you that right now. Like, I love them, but I'm going to put them back in here because they're a little strong for me to smell. But if I put these in the really big drawers or in your closet, it would just take one and it would smell so amazing. In the car, that's a really good idea. We're at like stinky kid season. And so anything that would, when the car warms up, that would add a nice fragrance would be great. I love those, and a little bit goes a long way, let me tell you. There's still more in here. Oh, we got the actual candlesticks that go in here. Very cute. I love this. They're little mini candlesticks. If you see how these are wobbling, if you're worried about them wobbling or not sitting straight, you can put wax paper or newspaper down at the bottom, or you can just take your lighter, go around the base till it melts, stick it down in, and it'll stay upright. Once it dries, it won't bounce around. That's typically what I do. There is a set of mini wood beads. Like, these are little bitty beads. That's really cute. Totally could incorporate these for Halloween. Look at me. I'm like, Halloween, Halloween. I love Halloween. So there's the size comparison to this candle holder. That's a little bitty set of beads. And there's still another item in here. Hold on. Or another set of items. Well, these are pretty. Are they napkins or are they dishcloths? There's 1, 2. They're all different. 3 and 4. They look like napkins, like cloth napkins that are made to look like dishcloths. I am totally digging this. Very earthy vibes in the colors here, this box, and I am totally here for it. I mean, I'm folding these like they're napkins. We'll look at this in just a second, but when they're all put together like this, thinking napkins, that would make an incredible tablescape. But you know what it would be amazing at? Is outside for a picnic. Like, we're eating all of our meals outside. Fall is here. We're in the 60s. Well, at least in the mornings and the evenings, we're in the 60s. And these would be so cute. We just had friends over for dinner to use those. Okay. The Fall 2022 wooden balls, marble bookends, candle holder, pot holder, napkins. These cotton machine washable napkins are a great little addition to your table linen. Use alone, mix and match with the solid set you already have. So I'm thinking like, obviously you could use it sink side, but I'm totally thinking that I'm going to use it like on a plate. The bead, garland, and tassel, and it has information on each of the products. I love that they are doing that. And then it has like about the box, their featured item. I feel like this is so informative, but it's not overwhelming. I love that they included photo ideas on what to use with the items. This is so great. This guy is a resin tapered holder with a unique shape. Yes. I love everything in here. And this is an under $100 box. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 9, 10, 11, about 12, and we'll count this as a group, about 13 items. None of these items have to be used together. All of them can be used separately. So there's 5 balls in here. So when actually thought about individually, there's 18 items here. But this could be considered a set, although, I mean, that was nice that they sent these. They didn't have to send those. Okay, this is our final fall box. And what a great wrap-up this is. I am loving this Design Life Delivered box. This is one of the favorites, in my opinion, that they've sent. Well done, Design Life Delivered. You packed more items in the little box than I felt like we've gotten in some of the really big boxes. I am like shook right now. This is impressive. Okay, you guys, I think we're officially done with fall. That makes me a little bit sad. The only reason I'm not like super sad is because we're starting winter and Christmas unboxings in 1 week. Like legitimately 1 week, things will be popping up. We're still playing with Halloween like crazy. As you kept hearing me mention, I'm doing so many Halloween things. So keep looking for those boxes to pop up. If you are not a part of our Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group, go down to that group now. I want to see y'all's decorations. I live for holiday decorating, and so many of y'all do as well. So go join the group. You do have to I do solemnly swear, wait, what's the Boy Scout thing? Is it 3 fingers? I don't even know. I wasn't a Boy Scout. Obviously, I wasn't a Boy Scout, but I wasn't a Girl Scout either. I was not into that. But we don't have drama, so you have to promise to be loving and kind and nice. But we talk about things we love and things we don't love, which is totally welcome there. But most of all, I want to see your photos of your Halloween decor and your fall decor, and of course, your upcoming winter and Christmas. If you already have your Design Life Delivered, comment below and tell me what you're thinking. So many of y'all were like, this might be my favorite box yet. And I was like, oh, don't peek. And I'm so glad I did it because this was fun to open. Okay, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, we are going to be having so much fun. And I really, really don't want you guys to miss out. Also, be a loving friend and share with a friend the channel so they can come hang out with us as well. I hope that you have an absolutely amazing October. And if you subscribed, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.